This is 5,000 naira. Do you know that you can do a lot with 5,000 naira? Yes, you can start investing with this 5,000 naira. There are so many options that you can start with. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how 5,000 naira can be a game changer for you. The first is high interest savings account. Now, you set up your Optimus by AfriInvest. I've already done a video. Click on that video at the description and make sure you watch it. These are other ones, Optimus, PiggyVest, and CarryWise. But for today, I'm going to be using Optimus by AfriInvest. All right. So when you click and download yours, just open it to this homepage and just go to OptiLock. Why am I picking OptiLock? Because I want you to lock the money for 12 months so you can get the full benefit. With this option, you can earn up to 20%, meaning that your 5,000 naira can give you 1,000 naira. So how do you do this? Click on OptiLock, select OptiLock Naira. And when you click on it, just go ahead and put in 5,000 naira and set it for 12 months. And voila, you're going to get 1,000. Imagine if you can do this with more than 5,000 naira. The second is stock market, the US stocks. Do you know that last year, Palantir returned 400%? 5,000 could have been 20,000 naira. Now see Tesla. Tesla returned 83% in the last 1 year, meaning that your 5,000 could have been almost 9,000 naira. And this is some of the receipts we have done in the community. This 100% happened in few weeks. And here's another one with Nigerian stock, which is Etena. This stock has grown 54% in few weeks. If as for some people, depending on how much you bought it, it actually rocked 90%. So meaning your 5,000 can actually be 9 or 10,000 naira. Now the third option for you is mutual fund. And I'm still using the Optimus. Just click on mutual fund, select Naira mutual fund. It is super straightforward and easy. And this particular page will come up. Just click on explore Naira mutual funds so that you can see all the options of mutual fund they have. So choose a fund. There is the AEF, there is the APF, that's the AfriInvest Plutus Fund, and then there's the Nigerian International Debt. So choose any one. Let's say we're picking the APF, which is the AfriInvest Plutus, and this has returned 20% year to date. These percentages actually fluctuate, so keep in mind that the percentages can actually fluctuate. So if you want to invest, just click on invest now. Here are this amount price. Just key in your 5,000 naira. You can see here one unit is 100 naira. Very cheap. You see, investing is not so difficult. Type in your 5,000, you get 50 units, and then you click on just this ones and click on select funding source. There is money already in my wallet. I can actually pick this 5,000 from my own wallet, or I can use my ATM. When you select it, you come here and click preview funds, and then voila, everything you need to know comes here. So this is a very interesting part. Reinvest your dividend. That is actually why I had to do this video. This part is telling you that you can actually choose to put in your investment interest back into the capital, and that will unlock compound interest. You can also accept terms and conditions for you to create this mutual fund, and it is done in few minutes. This is how you can set up your mutual fund account. This someone asked me recently, and I told them that this option is fantastic. This is what we call the drip method, reinvesting just right into your capital to grow fast. Now let's see how, if you do this 5,000 every month for the next 10 years, how much you're going to get. You can do this for your child. So let's say you're putting in 5,000. Ignore the dollar sign, okay? You're putting in 5,000. This is an investment calculator. And for 10 years, with 10%, just 10%, and you are going to put in 5,000 every single month. You see, it is very small money. In the next 10 years, those small 5,000 naira would have given you over 1 million naira. Okay, it may look small, but look at this. Your total contribution is 600,000, while your total interest is 407,000. Now, let's see that you continued doing this for the next 20 years. Or let's say this account you set up for your child. So you continued after 10 years and you decided that I'm still going to keep putting 5,000 every month into this fund because of my child. Now, when the child will be 20 years old, you would have contributed 3.6 million, but your total contribution is 1.2, and your interest, compound interest, is now 2.4 million. Can you imagine? Now let's take it up to 30 years. Let's say you want to do this until the child gets to 30 years. At 30 years, you'll be getting 10 million naira. Come and see your total contribution, 1.8 million, whereas the the interest is 8.5 million. That's call it 8.6 million. Can you see the power of compound interest? This is why I tell people to look into investing. Now, you may be wondering, how can I put this into action? It's time for you to join our Stock to Wealth program. It is just 10,000 naira where you get the basics of everything you need to know about saving, investing, mutual fund. And you can see the link to pay in the description and also pinned in the comment of this video so that you can grab your spot. I can't wait to see you to start small, grow consistently, retire early, and most importantly, join a community where you can learn all this. You can see what others are doing and be a part of it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.